You're right.
I just realised I was on mute for the guys on the stream, so I'll just say it again. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Give us a thumbs up if you can hear us, by the way. I'm just going to sort the live chat out and put that in now. So let's do. Okay. That should be on. Yeah, right. Live chat's all set up. Cool.
What we should do is, if we had tennis balls and I pretend to throw a tennis ball to you, Vic, in that corner of the screen, then you could catch it at your end.
Yeah.
And then throw it back.
Oh, that would be really cool and a good use of our time.
Oh God, it's Friday. The sun's out. Come on.
This is what people joined for.
I can't understand why we never actually take a trade.
But people watch a lot less on TikTok, believe me.
Right, let's get stuck in. Sarah, which one? Because you were just telling me you might see one setting up.
Potentially GU.
GU.
So a sell down to the 1 hour order block.
Yeah.
Which is really weak, so I think it'll go right through it.
Yeah, but it's like you said, I can't see any way to get in safely.
Yeah, it's finding an entry. I do think that's where it's going, but it's not really giving us a way to get in without having a stop of 5,000 pips.
We don't want that, do we? I like CAD-J. Please, will you have a proper look at that?
Yeah, let me bring it up.
I think this has got legs.
What time frame are you looking on?
I think any really. 1 hour looks good. But it's coming up to...
Ooh. Oh, yes. I like this. We've got quite a lot of room on this one, haven't we? I think the GU was potentially near its target, which is another problem.
It's a really similar thing because we've just had NFP and I really don't... I think the stop has to go all the way below today's low, but it's still a 0.3, you know. I like this for a number of reasons. Because of the 4 hour as well. If you look at that.
Yeah, I can't see it ever coming back near that stop before it hits our target. I just think it's looking nice. And yeah, we're flying on the other side, aren't we? It looks nice, that one.
Yeah. I think we might have our first trade of the thing. I think I'm just going to put it on. What is it, 3 o'clock? Should we wait for should we wait for a 3 close pullback or take it? It's nearly 3, you see, that's all I'm thinking.
30 minute. Well, we've broke structure again, haven't we, on the 30-minute once it closes, so it could just take straight off this one.
I think so.
Because there's not really anything in its way before the TP, is there?
Let's give it, let's wait for the close and probably mark execute.
Do you want me to get it ready on trade ideas?
Yeah. Please. Please. I'm really thirsty. I wish I'd got a drink.
If only there was someone nearby who could hear you.
Oh, yeah?
I wonder if she got that. I got a side eye.
Amazing.
To be honest, I think stops would be safe below this, but just because it's been NFP, I am going to go for the wider one today. 0.3-ish. It's tiny, but it's just because the what's it called? Purely NFP's just absolutely driven this, so we've got to be safe with stops, unfortunately. I finally managed to work out what was going on with my camera thing as well, so we should be all sorted now.
What was it, do you know?
Afternoon from Benners.
Oh, Benners?
Ben?
Something was locked, so I couldn't grab the camera, basically. But I couldn't find where it was locked, so I did a bit of Googling and I figured it out.
Was that when you were upside down?
I don't know why it was upside down. I've not figured that out. It keeps doing it when I connect it sometimes. But...
You just go back so I can grab TP2 114587.
Yeah, I'm just going to place this order as well. So let me just.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
So SL 113413. Yeah.
Yep. TP1's there. TP2. Have you got TP2?
114585. Yeah. And 114390 for TP1, and there's no TP3. Is that correct?
Wait, what did you say? You should have.
Do you want to read them out to me? I've got them written down.
114.33 is entry.
Yeah.
114585 is TP1.
Yeah.
And then we'll have TP2 is going to be 114727.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I've got. Nice. Well, I've got 726. I was being cautious.
Let's go for 6 then. So we'll be extra caution.
Because if it hits 6 and not 7, you'll go mad.
Yeah, and then 114.98 we'll go for. So yeah, happy with that. If it pulls back first, then I would say place it as a buy stop. If you're watching, if it like moves by the time you press in the trade, and it's pulled back a bit, then you can always wait and just place it as a buy stop where we are now. So, but yeah, it looks good. This.
Oh.
Well, you just put on it's a holy grail as well, Andy. That's the strategy.
Yep.
I keep forgetting to do that, and then I go in afterwards and update it.
Mm.
So what we'll do is we'll have a look, see if there's anything else. Just whack an alert on that so that we know when we've made some money.
Yeah, see what else we can find. Let's have a look.
Do you know what I've got? I've got another account that I was just going to put it on as well, actually. So this is. I've got the account that I'm going to use for the live streams, and then I just want to whack it on another account as well.
Oh,
I'm sending this, yeah?
Yes, send that.
You might as well, if you've not already done it, send it as a buy stop now.
Has it pulled back? Yeah.
Yeah, it's in a little pullback.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Do it as a buy stop then, Andy, just if you've not sent it.
I've sent it, but let me edit it.
Yeah. People won't have seen it yet.
Because if there's going to be a little bit of drawdown, the people haven't seen it yet, they might as well miss that, haven't they?
Yeah, because it's such a big move.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Like if there's a pullback, it's not an issue at all. But when it does come back, I do think it's just going straight through.
Agreed. You've got 30-minute break there as well. Yeah.
So
what else was
the EN that we were looking at before we went live, unfortunately played out too quickly, but it's nice to see it work. So that one's gone. What else have we got?
Sorry, I'm just putting this.
This is what we were saying the other day, Sarah. Don't be sad that you missed the trade. Be happy that the strategy works.
Yeah, definitely. We're doing the right thing, aren't we? So that's the main thing.
Sorry, I'm just putting it on another account. I've not set up the copier yet.
You're using my method.
Yeah, I'm manually adding it to 17 accounts. Cool.
The best thing about that strategy is entering the last one at TP because you just can't do it quick enough.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, what is that?
Gold is just
It's not stopping, isn't it? It's not stopping.
No.
Yeah.
It's broken below all that
Yeah.
stuff. No, it's even the place where I thought it might turn around. It looks like it's continuing down below that as well. We've got a 4-hour order block, which it's trying to break now. So
Yeah, it's not for stopping at all.
no, but can't see a trade there though for us now.
I'm on the wrong one. Yeah, this is one of the hardest NFP days, like we were saying before. Sometimes you just get that little manipulation the wrong way, and then it'll flip and go the other way, and it gives you a better entries, doesn't it, to get in? And there's still plenty of room left. But today you've seen some big moves, like they've not even stopped. Sorry, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I've got my tea.
Yay. I've not seen it, but I assume it was positive for the dollar. I've not seen the numbers.
I haven't seen it either, but it must have been. So unemployment claims. It was. What was it? Higher than the forecast, so there was more. Yeah, no, that's negative, isn't it? I think Nick posted something. Actual less than forecast is good. Yeah, so it's come out weaker for the dollar. But I don't know whether Nick posted something about the China. China.
Yeah, that was this morning, wasn't it? When everything just seemed to move.
So maybe that's had a higher impact than the actual NFP. Yeah.
Hello, Benners. Hello, Nella. Hello, Scott. Hello, Paolo.
Hello, everybody.
How are you seeing who's on?
I need to put in.
How are you seeing who's on?
Oh, you're not
I'm
on
using my eyes.
Oh well, so I'm guessing I can't see. I'm on Zoom, so does that mean I can't see them?
I'm on both, so I'm flicking between the two.
Oh right, okay.
So I'm watching YouTube with the sound off. Scott's asked if we mentioned a stop on CAD JPY.
Oh, we did. Sorry, it's below today's daily low. So you're at 113.41.
Oh, it's making its move now. I think if people did a buy stop, they will be activated now.
Yes, we should see this push through that. There's no reason why not.
No.
What I can see. So
For those who are members, that has been dropped in the trade ideas as well.
Yeah.
For those who aren't members, you can join.
Interesting. Big move.
Afternoon, Mr. Gears.
Oh, hi, Simon. Hello. I can't see the chat either. I try to pretend I can.
I'll manage the chat.
I got
Yeah, we just say hi to people you said with you.
Make myself feel useful. as a late addition to the stream, are we having words later, Miss Dean?
What for? Oh.
Just because you edited a message doesn't mean that the original message didn't include me.
I wasn't paying attention. I was still half asleep this morning. I was like, whatever, and I didn't actually know whether you'd said you were coming on. I couldn't remember, so my apologies.
Rude.
My apologies.
Rude.
Yeah,
yeah, I felt really awkward because I thought you've been doing it all week and now I'm coming on and you've been binned off.
No?
and announced as well.
Yeah,
I know my place.
Grand entrance.
You do.
Yeah, I know. Afternoon, Nate. I bet you Nate is having his first pint of the day.
Ooh,
It's Friday. He won't be up a ladder.
It won't be his first. It's Friday. Pint with his morning fry up on a Friday.
Spoons at 8.
Yeah. I was going to ask about indices.
Yeah, they just all pulled back. On the 4 hour, they looked quite nice, didn't they?
Yeah,
but they're in a weird daily place. So you've got
yeah.
the bullish dailies, and they've all sort of hit a daily level. So
yeah, a bit conflicting. So it might have potentially already done all its selling, but we need a buy confirmation, don't we? So
yeah, that's what that looks like. So I was looking at the sells on it, but it's like I said, it's already played out to where we think it will.
Yeah, and if you look at US 30 there,
look at Nate.
What's he saying?
He said, "I bet I'm not. I'm on my way to the school run."
Of course.
Oh yeah, you can't be drunk for that. They don't like it.
I forgot about that. Yeah. I watched last night. There was a Netflix program called "The Football of the Wife and the Crash," and it was about J. Lloyd Samuel.
Oh, I saw that come up, but I didn't watch it.
It's only an hour long. It's interesting, and also a little bit sad, obviously. But yeah,
I'll have to watch it. I didn't.
We did finish Ashley Madison as well. If you want some interesting conversations with your partner, watch 3 episodes of Ashley Madison on Netflix.
So what was your conclusion? It's okay to cheat?
I think the conclusion was that mainly it's men. the problem appears to be men.
I don't even know what you're talking about, but I could have told you that answer.
So Ashley Madison is a dating website, and their tagline is "Life is short, have an affair." So it's for married people to be able to hook up and to be able to have affairs.
Oh, my partner told me about this. She said it was mental.
Yeah.
It's well worth watching.
And it's basically people just justifying cheating, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one guy, he must have had affairs with tens, if not hundreds of women. And he got outed as like a YouTuber. He was like a Christian family YouTuber. Anyway, his missus took him back because, God's all about forgiveness. So, yeah, they're still together.
Yeah. Good old God.
Good old God.
Good old God.
Brilliant.
Oh, Nate's going to treat Sophia to a spoons. That
sounds nice.
Oh, what does she drink? I think she looks like a cider girl.
Fruit shoot, I'd have thought.
Oh yeah, she was only 9, isn't she? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Benners agrees. Men's the problem. Uh-huh.
Yeah, correct.
The problem and the answer. Anyway, back to trading.
Oh yeah, so that's why we're here, isn't it? Let's talk about what's on Netflix. Oh, there we go. We've got the break now.
Yeah, what are we on? 15 minutes.
Have you seen EJ?
I was just looking at EJ, yeah. But I thought, well, I'm already in.
Yeah, too much risk on JPY, but I think that's going to do very similar up to the
here.
1 hour OG.
There's a 30 as well, similar place.
Yeah, I was on the 30.
Yeah, I wasn't really.
Probably what I would target.
It's already been there, but it's a wick, isn't it?
Yeah.
That'll get filled. So it just all sort of pointing towards the CAD-J working out as well. So
yeah, that's it's good confluence if they're all doing a similar thing. I like that.
Yeah, we in profit.
Woohoo!
So I did,
in profit.
Oh wow.
4 hour.
Apparently J2O is the same price as a pint in spoons.
Is it?
Yeah, I went through a phase where I was not drinking. I did about 9 months of not drinking. I did a dry January and then I just carried on because I just wasn't bothered. And you go on a night out and you spend just as much money. It's like exactly the same price for a Coke or a juice or something to rip off.
You spend just as much money apart from everyone's really irritating and loud.
Yeah, I just had a really rubbish time and still spent the same money.
Yeah, I've done it a couple of times. It's just.
Just thinking, how annoying is my partner and all my friends?
Yeah, why are they talking utter rubbish?
Yeah, really loud as well. Awful.
Crazy Beast just popped on to say hello. Good afternoon, Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
Not that Mr. Beast, different Mr. Beast.
Yeah, afternoon, John.
He's got 200 the kids were telling me he's got 265 million subscribers now, Mr. Beast. It's quite a lot.
Wow.
We've got 378.
Something to look forward to and work towards, isn't it?
Yeah, got to have goals.
Yeah.
Just no abuse, that's all.
He's already called me a lady. I think he's had my go at my hair. I thought John had long hair. You not got long hair, John?
I don't think he has he?
I thought he had long hair. It's been a while. He used to have long hair many years ago. What's that noise?
What noise?
Is that coming from you, Sarah?
What noise?
It was like a funky space noise.
Oh, it was like a motorbike going past. Was it sound like an engine? It could have been that.
Maybe that.
Oh, I hate this stuff. I think I am registered and like, just go away. Let me just log into this.
Cousin It. John used to look like Cousin It, apparently, with long hair. Imagine that.
What will my password be? Oh, God's sake.
Is it the usual Andrew's a legend?
Oh, that'll be it, yeah. Oh my God, I actually picked the right one. It was a Gmail login.
Oh?
Who knew? Let me see if I can. Yeah, cool. So very slow now. It's a bit boring now, isn't it?
Yeah,
Friday afternoon.
You know it.
That's the thing.
Soon be beer o'clock.
Yeah.
Kids will be home soon. Biology GCSE today.
Nice. we got anything else then that we could be looking at? What time? 3:20.
Anybody in the chat want us to have a look at anything? Answer any
Shout
questions?
up.
Talk about Netflix. I wonder if Netflix will sponsor us. Got any questions about the Relentless Prop Firm? Hello.
Sorry, I'm just concentrating for a little minute. They're massive moves, aren't they, today?
Yeah.
GN and EN have smashed it, haven't they?
Yeah.
They always do this. Take the one that takes the longest amount of time.
Yeah.
Because I think...
US 30's flying back up now.
Yeah.
Was it yesterday it flew?
Yeah, I was actually going to show that because I was talking about it yesterday. And I said you have to be really careful yesterday because it went literally, that the yellow line there is what we marked up. Let's remove that. As the place that we wanted, we suspected it wanted to go fill on the daily, so we were waiting for the open at 2:30, and it just did this in one candle.
It flew.
Filled the gap, but I said, like, you've got to be really careful trying to take buys on it because it had hit where it wanted to go. And then I said they could probably just come back and recover all that because they did the exact same thing at the same time. The previous day, they ran all the way down on the open, and then they just came all the way back up, and they did.
Exactly the same.
Today it's played bang off of that OB, hasn't it, on the 1 hour?
Yeah, it was a day. It was a 4 hour.
Whipped into it and
4 hour up here. So I think it still got room up to the daily, so that's probably where it's going.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at then.
So
that daily, yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, so it bounced off it yesterday, and that's where it's going now. And that's a 3 hour with 40-minute close, you know. What are we doing on KJ?
Just chilling.
So Paolo's asking how the prop firm is going, what's it all about, and has anyone been paid out yet? So no one currently has been paid out. It's only been going for 3 weeks.
Yeah, so people are still in the demo challenge.
Yeah. So if you want to get used to it, you can get a free 100k demo challenge. So I think we're one of only 2 prop firms that allow people to have a demo challenge, ourselves and of course FTMO. And Vicky put a video in the other day. I've used Match Trader for a while. So a lot, as you'll know, a lot of prop firms now are moving away from MT4 and MT5 because of what Metaquotes did with pulling their platform. But I use Match Trader on a different prop. But there's a video in the prop Discord, which is obviously free to join. And Vic talks people through Match Trader. I quite like Match Trader. I think it's very similar to TradingView.
Same.
It is very similar, but yes, you're right. It is only a matter of time. But we are yet to have our first payout. So to coin a phrase from the National Lottery, it could be you.
We might be able to send them a cap. A relentless cap for the first payout.
We'll do that. First person to get a payout gets a relentless cap. There you go.
There you go.
You heard it here first.
I just ordered my cap today, actually. You know, we've been
Did
talking
you?
about it for ages, yeah, so that's getting sent out. So I'm looking forward to that.
Nice.
Paolo has watched your video, Vic, on MetaTrader, so he says thanks. I know you can't see the chat.
No
I
problem.
will pass it on.
Yeah, I did it because I've not really used Match Trader either. So I thought, you know what, it is actually, I think people are scared of calculating lot sizes, aren't they? all that kind of stuff. But it was really intuitive, a bit like you've just said with TradingView.
Yeah.
So
it's just change, isn't it? People don't like change.
Yes. Yeah.
Apart from people on Ashley Madison. There we go. We've gone full circle.
Let's go.
So US, look at. I think US 30 is going up to that daily, like you said. But have a look at SP 500.
Oh wait, mess my charts up now.
On the 15-minute.
I think I'm already on this layout. Sorry, which one?
SP 500 on the 15-minute. I've just marked it up, but halfway to imaginary TP now. So do something.
Should have been quicker. Yeah, that's coming through, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. But it should smash through and continue up.
What about
I would
NAS?
think. Sorry?
NAS?
Oh, yeah, no, yeah. Room there, isn't there? But it's just that central line there that I don't like as much.
Yeah, I had the same conversation yesterday about gold, which was interesting.
Oh, in the chat?
Just when we were on stream, and then as soon as it came off stream,
yeah.
it set up just as it came off stream, and then I'd seen that you'd already sent it.
Yeah.
But that was doing what this is doing.
Yeah.
So this will be interesting.
Nate wants to know, Sarah, if you've gone for a snapback or a normal cap.
I don't know, you know. You
should check that.
You should definitely check.
Yeah, I should. I don't think I can pull off a snapback, so I'm hoping
Nate's got a snapback. Nate's got a snap.
Oh well, he's a lot cooler than me.
No.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's not. It might be a trucker cap. You never know.
Nice. I've got a snapback. I'm not sure I'm their demographic. I don't know.
Yeah. I hope it's a normal one, to be fair.
Interesting. There's been some really nice clean moves today on the 30 though.
Yeah, I've watched them all. It's been lovely.
I've looked at nothing today.
I've really enjoyed achieving nothing and saying, knew it was going to do that. Bloody NFP.
Nice.
If this SP 500 waits for us on the 30-minute close, pulls back a little bit, there is a nice SL point at 5332. Go on the 15-minute.
I think I saw it before, yeah.
Yeah, we've got a nice wick. I can't see it coming back down below that.
Yeah. It's just...
Not sure about spread though, how much it would leave.
Not a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, what time is it? 3:30.
We've got the 6-hour close at 4. That could leave some nice holy grails.
Yeah, 4 o'clock's quite nice, isn't it? You get 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
And these are going.
Yep.
These. You've not got. Yeah, still just a bit nervous with the indices, like messing about. The SPX is just going to fill it, isn't it?
I would have thought so.
How's our CAD doing? I don't even know what price we got in at on CAD.
We're in drawdown, only a little bit.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sort of just below entry at the minute.
Yeah. It's got room, wants it to pull back. Yeah, it's fine. What are we nice? I'm tired today. I'm ready for the weekend. Is everybody else?
Oh, yeah.
Are you back in on Sunday?
I am.
Hey.
This is my weekend.
Is it? Are you doing anything tomorrow?
We're going to finish decorating.
Nice. It looks good what you've done already.
Oh yeah, really, really pleased with it, to be fair. It does look good.
Let's have a look at 4. That's what I reckon.
Mm-hmm.
Because
yeah, see where everything lands.
Yeah, because I mean that's going into that daily. I think on.
Yeah, I like it for the daily.
This will be where the manipulation could really flip. So if you think about NFP, how this has looked mega bearish, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then this next hour could just flip it. Well, half an hour could just flip all these for bullish. Yeah.
It's looking nice. So US 30 is my favourite looking at those. What time frame were you on then? Was it 3 hour?
3, yeah, the 3 hour is due to close, isn't it? Half an hour. Was a CJ an alert or just spotted using the strategy?
Mm-hmm.
What was this? Was it a crown jewel?
Go to the 3 hour. It was a holy grail.
Yeah, it would. Oh. Yeah.
So if this closes, I would like it up to the daily order block, and I think stop would be safe under the 3 hour order block there.
Oh, was CAD an alert? Sorry, I thought somebody just. Giz just put in the chat was CJ an alert, and I thought it was a crown jewel, but I mean CAD. I don't know whether it alerted. I'll have a look.
I don't think it did. I think we just found it.
So, because
with some of them, it might not fit every single criteria that's coded to make it come up as an alert, but don't forget that we've come up with the strategy that causes the alert. So if we can see ones that might not actually show on the Dean,
yeah,
that we're happy with,
I don't
fit the code to alert.
I don't think the 4 hour on CAD gave what we wanted at the bottom, so that's why the code didn't hit the criteria. But like Sarah just said, we'll manually find them with our eyeballs sometimes.
Because obviously we used to find them with no indicator, and now we've put them into an indicator, so it won't always be an alert, but most of the time that's what we go with because it's very reliable.
And for those who are wondering what the crown jewels and the Holy Grail strategy are, you can buy it from our website, and it gives you lifetime access to the indicator.
Yeah.
There's a video explaining it a bit more on YouTube, isn't there, Vic?
Yes.
It's very simple, but very clever, very good.
Very effective.
Yes.
UJ. What else were we looking at? Is gold still tanking, or is it recovering a bit? USD
doing a little bounce. Nothing that would make me want to get in though.
Yeah, it's a funny one, isn't it?
Yeah.
KJ. Go on, lad, get up there.
Stalling, isn't it? Come on.
I'm worried with it. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's had all the volume and it's just going to do nothing for hours and carry into the weekend. That's my only worry with that one. But in terms of it should hit the target, whether it does it today or next week. Not next week, but like Monday or whatever. But where's the... Make this bigger. La 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 la. I just wondered where are we on the Monday. So where is Monday? Monday open here. Monday open here. Monday open. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good between these two. And definitely, if we get this close like this today as well, there's no reason why we're not hitting the TP on that.
Yeah, even if we're going to draw down, I still think we're going to TP.
Yes. So we're in for the wild ride.
Yep.
3 hours. So we've got 25 minutes left on this 3 hour as well. Look. So even the 3 hour looks like it's gonna.
Yeah, if it closes above as well, that's lovely.
We might get a little pop. We might get a little pop at 4, which would be nice. I'd rather get out of the trade today.
Definitely.
Be good.
Good afternoon, J Fella 83.
Who's this? Sorry. Let's have a
I
look.
don't know.
I can't see the chat.
In the chat.
But
Simon
anyway.
Simon will go through what we spotted on CAD because it was a holy grail, and it would be unfair because you've paid for said strategy and indicator to then release it free on public YouTube. But we'll go through it on a one of the Relentless trainings next week, if that's cool with you, Vic.
Yeah, fine. We will do that. But it is a holy grail.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. La, la, la. Let's put my screens back. So, 25 minutes, and then we'll see what we've got. Oh, got the wrong one. Very quiet.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to set up something on my phone.
That's okay.
Like that Bjork song. We can't sing in case we get done for copyright again, Vic.
Yeah, I know.
J Fella 83 is John Daniels.
Oh, hello, John.
Hi, John.
No, another workman knocking off early on a Friday.
Careful how you say that. Cad J, Cad C, Jack. Cad J. John. Oh.
You see, Fletcher's probably watching, but because she doesn't have a YouTube account. Can't comment.
She's rude.
Oscar's back. Apparently the GCSE biology exam was very good. So we'll take that.
Good.
It's good news.
It is. That is.
If he can get his grades, he'll be moving out in September. Woohoo! I don't mean it, Oscar, if you're watching back.
I think I'm in like a lottery syndicate. Obviously, never going to win, but I think I might win it today.
I used to be in one, and I have left it. But imagine if they win.
That's it.
Have contact with these people in case they do.
Can't leave. Cannot leave.
I know, this is the problem.
So I'm sucked in for life.
Euro Millions.
Yes, it's euros and the normal. But
how much is a lottery ticket these days?
Not a
£2
clue. I think it's more, isn't it? Is it €2.50 for
is it?
euros? I'm not sure. It's been years since I've done it.
Mm. The indices apply, look at US 30.
Didn't us do what we said? This is...
Yeah, it's going straight up to that deal.
For God's sake, man.
God damn it, Maverick.
SP 500 is our imaginary TP.
Yeah, see, the NAS one was on the... Oh, look, there it is.
Mm.
There's my boxes over here somewhere, look.
Imaginary trades and imaginary money. Love it.
Yeah.
At least they're imaginary wins.
Yeah, could be.
But look,
worse.
this is interesting though for like where they're gonna go next. So that's US 30's just built the daily, hasn't it?
Yeah, there should be big move now.
So you had 4 hour bearish as the only thing. Well, they came off the dailies down the bottom, didn't they? We should have took that. In hindsight.
Now that we've seen it play out, should have took it.
No, like...
Yeah. Should have bought Bitcoin 10 years ago. God damn it.
Yeah.
Damn
it.
It was interesting. I was hoping it would hold there for the 4 o'clock close, because then you pretty much...
It has not.
It'd be interesting if they all flip. Oh well.
I do like indices, and they sound a bit cooler as well, which is what it's all about with trading. You say, I trade the S&P 500 or I trade the US 30.
The thing I like about them is whatever they do, they're going to do it quickly. I like to find out if I'm right or if I'm wrong without having to wait, which is why I'm more of a scalper.
Rather than the 5-day swing trade I like.
Yeah.
Been in GCAD for 4 days. Yay, hit TP.
Yeah. My favourite bit was where you said, this is what I like, stress-free trading. After three days of drawdown and then you hit your TP. That is not what I call stress-free trading.
Don't look at it.
Probably never even looked.
Don't look at it. That's the secret.
Yeah, it's funny. I think everyone's got their own preference, haven't they, on the style of trading?
Yes.
But nothing to go off on these. That's on the monthly chart. Absolutely nothing.
To be fair to John, he sat in his van waiting to get in to do a job, so he's not Skype. He's using his time productively, though, whilst listening to YouTube.
Yeah, definitely.
Here's an interesting question. Paolo's asking if there's less commission on indices. There'll be less commission than on some of them because there's more liquidity, isn't there? So there will be...
Yeah, some of them have like 0 fees as well. Just have to check the brokers or the props.
That's what I like about gold as well. Much cheaper to trade.
Yeah. anything with...
Yeah, same with EU as well.
Where is that? Where's that gone? US 30. There we go. Right. 20 minutes to go. Well, what you could have had.
I'll just be brought a cup of tea. Nice.
Oh, nice. Mine, I don't know how to tell that. Mine's gone cold.
I maybe wouldn't. I don't know.
Nah.
In the plant and say thank you.
You can't hear me. Yeah. Well,
Do
that
you think Pete's watching?
absolutely not. No. That
Excuse
Naz
me.
would have been lovely. That would have hit the TV now.
Which one?
Naz one. We were right.
The one we didn't take?
Yeah, the one we didn't take. Off the one.
I think
Obviously.
we've picked out about 4, and we've been right on all the ones we've not taken.
Yeah. I've done that all week.
That's a skill in itself, to be fair.
You're welcome.
No. I think if it had matched the 4 hour, I would have took it. I was just a bit nervous of the 4. But 16 minutes. God, it feels like the longest 16 minutes of my life. Come on. I think you're going to get a pullback on these now. Which is highly annoying.
Yeah, I think we might be in KJ for the long haul.
We're in it for the long haul. We're in it because for the love of trading. That's why.
Lots of people always want to be in a trade, and we've delivered that for them.
Yes. Yeah, you can think about KJ all weekend now.
All weekend.
You're welcome.
Anyone hoping for a stress-free weekend? Forget.
No, you'll have a good Monday when you hit TP.
Yeah, you will. Sunday night.
I do want that 3 to close above. That is my only requirement.
Mine is that it hits TP.
I'm also okay with that. I just know I would feel happier if it closes.
Yeah, we want to finish on the other side, don't we?
Yeah, let's see, because like it should pop. To be honest, I don't know whether it's just stalling because it's coming up to 4.
Yeah,
and then you
potentially.
you get that pop, but yeah, I would like to see it close above that 4. So let's see what happens, and then we can expect a little pullback on the next open, and then boom, gone. Get a 2 hour bearish one. 1 hour pullback.
Are you singing the American national anthem then?
I think so. Yeah. What is it?
Da 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 da.
What's it called?
Da da. Star Spangled Banner.
Who?
Star Spangled Banner is my guess.
That's the name of their anthem thing.
Answers in the chat. What's the US national anthem
Answers
called?
in the chat. Yeah, I don't know what that's called.
I think it is Star Spangled Banner.
It's a bit long, isn't it? I can't even say it.
You've not tried, to be fair.
Star Spangled Banner.
Spangled is a strange word, isn't it?
Is it a word?
Is it a word outside of the US national anthem?
Have you made this up, Andy?
I
This
know.
can't be real.
I think it is Star Spangled Banner, I do.
Never heard that.
I'll ask Yana, she knows English words more than me. Spangled.
Bennis says it is. Bennis
Spangled.
says yes, it is.
Oh my God, crazy.
It is movies.
Sorry, so my nickname amongst my mates as I was growing up was Movies. because I took A-level drama, and so took a lot of abuse from the majority of my male mates because they said that I wanted to be in the movies.
Amazing.
That's why I called movies. But really, the majority of people who took drama were women, so I was just playing the game.
Yeah, that's clever, that.
Who's the real winner?
You were waiting for them special scenes, weren't you?
You know it, sister.
Clever.
Always thinking, always
Clever.
thinking.
12 minutes. I love this combo.
What is your day job, Paolo? See if we can help you out with it. Let us know in the chat what your day job is.
I know who
and where
is.
you are.
I know who it is. It's
in the country.
They're a model.
They're a model?
Yeah. I know who it is. Yeah.
There's going back to Netflix, there's a fantastic film on Netflix about models, loosely about models, called The Triangle of Sadness. It's absolutely brilliant. Watch it if you've not watched it. It is fantastic. Woody Harrelson plays a blinder in it.
Is it a really old movie?
No. I think it's a year old, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Zoolander. Zoolander's also a good film about models. You mean there's more to life than being really, really good looking?
Vicky.
Yeah.
Back to trading.
UK 100 on.
Sorry, is my Rubik's Cube not?
1 hour.
Oh, my Zoom keeps getting in the way. UK 100 on the hour, okay.
It's dependent on the close in 10 minutes. But if you go to the 15-minute, we got some nice wicks.
Yeah.
But I want to see in 10 minutes what happens.
Okay. Just check the hour, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
God, Julius.
Anyone doing parkrun tomorrow?
Nope. I need to. I used to, and I really liked it, but I need to get.
Why did you stop?
I got injured.
Okay. We're going to Worsley Woods.
Oh, right. Okay.
I quite like that course. It's an out and back. It's quite nice.
Hilly.
There is a bit of hills in it, yes. Not too bad. Not as bad as Bolton. Went to Bolton a couple of weeks ago. It's disgusting.
Oh my God, I did a 10K in Bolton. It's the worst one I've done. It's just hills.
Not good.
I've just seen Paolo's reply. He's a model for height, I think.
What does that mean?
He's a sock model.
He's a tall model. Really,
a tall model?
Really,
I'm tall.
Really tall.
Taller than me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know who it is.
Is it Mayo?
We don't confirm nor deny that. But it's
interesting.
It is possible.
Interesting.
But maybe not.
Vicky, have you got your phone?
I can have my phone.
Yep.
Is that a subtle way of sending secret messages, so?
Yeah, you're not involved.
I know. Yeah. Not been a day for feeling included today, has it?
I told you to not send me pictures like that when I'm on stream. Live trading. Let's go this way. We're going to get stuck in this, aren't we?
Yeah.
What do you think on the...
It's really borderline as to where it's looking to close in the next few minutes. It's like you said, I want to close above those levels.
Yeah. And... I'm conflicted whether to just... Because I think, is it going to pull back further and whether to get out and get back in? Or...
Yeah, it might be a case of we can get a better entry if we come out at just below break even.
Let's just see how this 30 close. Let's just see where we close in the next 5-6 minutes.
Yeah, I do like it. I like it I think it's going to hit TP. I just think we're going to get stuck over the weekend.
Yeah, I agree. Stand by, guys. I believe that's what Pete says. Stand by.
Like Susan Thunderbirds.
Yeah, we might just be better. Like normally, our trades just fly, and if they don't, it can
I'm not sure if on this occasion I might be happier taking a very small loss.
Yeah. And
then with the option of potentially trying to get in at a much better entry on Monday, still with the same TP.
Yeah. Let's see where we can close because there's still a chance for us to flip in this next 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's have a little look. I mean, all the ones that we didn't take have been beautiful. So, if you're watching the stream, you should take all the trades that we talk about, but don't take.
Yes.
Yeah, you do. You have 4 winners by now.
You will do very well. Let's see. But yeah, I did. What's it called? NFP, isn't it? It's just blowing it all out of the water.
Yeah, it's like you said before. You either get left with something amazing.
Yeah.
Or it's already played out, and I think that might be where we are on a lot of these pairs.
Let's see.
Yeah.
We manage our risk. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
And then as soon as we end the stream, if we do come out of this early, you know what'll happen.
TP.
Boom.
TP. I don't know whether... I think I'm going to close now. I don't know what you think, but...
I don't like the look of that 1 hour.
Yeah, the 1 hour's done us over, really. I'm going to call it this trade, I think. Andy, will you just put a message in the group and close it out? I think the 5's moving a little bit too quick for my liking. Yeah, Let's go.
Because if it breaks now, it's got potential to come all the way down to at least sort of the midway point.
Otherwise, we're going to be sat in quite a lot of drawdown. Sorry, guys, but I'd rather take this really small loss because you've got... I can't see us getting enough volume to come back up today if we do come and trickle down here. I think it's going to either try and get back to daily open levels and trickle around, or it is going to go and hit the TP, but the trade situation has changed a little bit. It's a 1 hour.
Yeah, I don't like that one there. What was that, 30 minute?
Yeah, Andy, have you put a message in the group form? We just cancel it off.
I'm doing it.
Thanks, mate. No, I just didn't know whether you'd got it. Yeah. Best to get out. $200, nothing. And then we'll smash that.
Protect the capital.
Yeah, so it's a weird one. What was the other one that we were going to look at? UK 100 at the...
Oh, yeah, let's see where we are on that one.
The other thing I don't love is that where it's at on that level.
No, it's not closed how I wanted.
Yeah.
So yeah, not interested in this now. Personally.
Same.
Okay.
Look at I was looking at the wrong chart there. I was like, look at gold. It's pulled back up. It's not.
Oh, GU's giving an entry.
On what?
Go on the 1 hour.
Steps above that.
Down to the hour odd block.
Interesting. You know my cautiousness.
Let's just watch it.
Yeah. Let's watch it play out.
And then say, see? Oh, hello.
I always think of GU puddings. Goo puddings. You know, the little ramekins you get.
Oh, they're nice, those.
They aren't. The tiramisu one wasn't. Don't get that one. The cheesecakes are good.
They do a chocolate something or other one. That's good.
Yes, like a melting pot.
Yeah, that's it. Anything chocolate for me, though, to be fair, is a win.
Winner.
Any pictures of that?
I'll set that there.
0.7.
I'm going to take a half risk on this. I'm going to do a... what are we going to do? I'm going to do a 250 on this. Why can't I do that? 2.5. Really tiny trade. That's GU for anybody wanting to look at this one.
Do you want me to put in the signals, or think it's going to go before, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think you get time.
I think you're right.
If it pulls back, you can do. There is a level on the 2 hour that's potentially an area that we might want to just monitor risk around. Where have you got your TP, Sarah, on this one?
Same as you there. So I've got the 1 hour, but I'm bearing in mind the 2 hour.
Yeah, cool. Let's see.
To answer your question, Paolo, I have around 20 ramekins in the cupboard. I don't know why I keep them.
But you never know.
I put peanuts in them. Yeah, put peanuts in them. Yeah.
Too nice to throw away. Let's just clutter the cupboard.
Yeah.
Everyone.
I should really bin some, actually, thinking about it. I know.
So, that's going to be it, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it'll wait for Monday now.
Yeah, we'll see. I think I'll get an alert on CAD J saying TP hit.
Yeah.
I was joking.
Yes.
How did that close out of interest?
On Tuesday.
Let's just put.
Yeah, but Thursday next week.
Yeah, look, it closed below the 3 hour as well.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that's what we didn't want to see. So we'll definitely pull back now.
And the 30-minute, yeah. So
nice to do that, actually.
What I will do is put an alert on for. I think I will put it back above this 3 hour, and then keep an eye on this next week if we get a nice close above this level, because it's going to go fill that. Definitely. We just didn't want to sit in the trauma of.
No, it's a nice weekend. I don't want to be in drawdown. All right.
How exciting!
I've got a very needy cat.
Yeah. Cool then, shall we call it then?
Yeah.
And
I think so.
we will be back, I think it's going to be Wednesday.
Wednesday afternoon,
yes.
New York session.
Yeah, let's check news and just see actually. For Wednesday next week.
What's some news for next week?
Jesus.
I will do, yeah.
Do you know what? We could do a live one around 7 p.m. as well. FOMC.
Oh, FOMC.
Oh, I love FOMC. I can get on that one as well.
Yeah, I might be looking for 8 o'clock. Because you've got 7:30 as well. It's not the meeting minutes either, so that's the mover.
So it will move.
I think we might be better doing 10 a.m. on Wednesday again because of. Oh no, actually we can do 2 p.m.
Then you got Bank of Japan rates next Friday. That'd be interesting.
Yeah. Wonder what they're gonna do. Keep them the same.
I don't know.
Be interesting.
You'd have thought at least go to 0.
But yeah, let's FOMC. We'll see if anybody wants to get on that, and we'll do 2 p.m. on Wednesday after USD CPI. See if we can catch anything on that. Hopefully, it doesn't do what NFP did today and absolutely fly. So yeah, sounds good.
Sounds
right.
good.
Thanks to everybody for jumping on.
Have a good weekend,
Right, guys.
Daisy,
Catch you later.
Paolo,
Bye.
Buzz, John. Bye.